സ്നേഹസാഗര തീരത്ത് സഹന സമരവേദിയിൽ ഉരുകി ഉരുകി തെളിഞ്ഞു നിന്നു ഒരു തിരിനാളം. ഉരുകി ഉരുകി തെളിഞ്ഞു നിന്നു ചെറുതിരിനാളം. സ്നേഹസാഗര തീരത്ത് സഹന സമരവേദിയിൽ ഉരുകി ഉരുകി തെളിഞ്ഞു നിന്നു ഒരു തിരിനാളം. ഉരുകി ഉരുകി തെളിഞ്ഞു നിന്നു ചെറുതിരിനാളം. കർത്താവിൻ മണവാട്ടിയാം വിശുദ്ധ അൽഫോൻസ, കർത്താവിൻ പ്രിയദാസിയാം വിശുദ്ധ അൽഫോൻസ, കേട്ടവരായിരം ഓടിയെത്തി കിടാവിളക്കൊന്നു കാണുവാൻ പുഞ്ചിരി തൂകി മാധ്യസ്ഥമേകി വിശുദ്ധ അൽഫോൻസ. പുഞ്ചിരി തൂകി മാധ്യസ്ഥമേകി വിശുദ്ധ അൽഫോൻസ.
A warm good morning to one and all. Great wishes for Saint Alphonsa Day. I take this opportunity to convey my warmest greetings to you all and welcome you all, especially my beloved kids, to our Saint Alphonsa Day celebration. This be a time of grace and blessings from God. I am very glad to see you all healthy and happy. Dear my beloved kids, are you happy now? What about your teaching learning process? Is it going on smoothly? Are you like it? Anyway, please take it seriously. Okay? Dear children, Saint Alphonsa is the first officially proclaimed woman saint of India. She was a silent little sister without any glitter and glamour which makes stars of the world. Annangutti was the childhood name of Alphonsa. She was born as the first child of Joseph and Mary on 19th August 1910 in Kudamalu. When Annangutti grew up, she wants to become a nun. However, the most important fact is that Annangutti developed a personal devotion and love for Christ. This is the fruit of her genuine faith formation. Alphonsa lived as an unknown single Clarist nun within the four walls of the Franciscan Clarist convent at Barananganam is now known all over the world. She was just ordinary. The convent where she lived is blessed. At Barananganam, Alphonsa's room was very near to the convent school, and the students had developed a very close contact with her. They are inspired and motivated by the holiness of Sister Alphonsa. Her life was very short as she died at the age of 36, dated on 28 July 1946. Her death was unnoticed by the public. The funeral was simple and thinly attended. From the very next day after the funeral, the school children went to her tomb to put flowers and lighting candles on her grave. They found their favors received, soon the fragrance of her virtues and saintly life spread far and wide, and many miracles happened through her intercession. Her tomb at Barananganam turned into a great center of pilgrimage, attracting people from far and near. On 8th February 1986, Sister Alphonsa was raised to the status of blessed, and on 12th October 2008, she was canonized by Pope Benedict XVI. Now, Saint Alphonsa stands as a challenge to the modern world who deplores their griefs and miseries. God has sent Alphonsa to show us that suffering is not only useful but necessary. She considers suffering as a gift from God. She teaches us by her example that we must suffer not only for our own sins but for the sins of others too. The secret of her holy life was that she carried on her duties in an extraordinary manner. My dear students, life is not always smooth and easygoing. We have to face many difficulties in our day-to-day life. Problems and failures are part of our life, but success lies in being able to get up every time you fall and learning from your mistakes. We can achieve success in life only through struggles. It doesn't matter how many times you fall. Success is the outcome of suffering, hard work, preparation, and learning from failures. Dear little kids, please see the example of Thomas Edison, who was able to invent the light bulb only after 1,000 failed attempts. When asked how it had felt to fail 1,000 times, his smart reply was, "I didn't fail 1,000 times, but the light bulb was an invention with 1,000 steps." If your parents and teachers scold, punish, or pressurize you, make you study long hours and preventing you from enjoying yourself and cutting TV channel, etc., dear my little kids, don't get upset with them. Anyway, a peaceful mind can think better than a worked up mind. Dear children, peace of mind produces right values. Right values produces right thoughts. Right thoughts produces right action. Right action ends with right and truthful results. Stay calm, be happy, and keep smiling. Wishing you again a very happy and joyful Alfonso Day celebration. Blessing today and always. Thank you. Thank you very much.
മിഴികളിൽ കാരുണ്യക്കടലാഴം, മൊഴികളിൽ സ്നേഹത്തിൻ തുളസീഗന്ധം, മാറിൽ ക്രൂശിത നിറദീപം, ചുണ്ടിൽ വാത്സല്യപ്പൂക്കാലം, മാറിൽ ക്രൂശിത നിറദീപം, ചുണ്ടിൽ വാത്സല്യപ്പൂക്കാലം. അമ്മേ ധന്യേ അൽഫോൻസാമേ, സഹനത്തിൽ വാടാത്ത പൂങ്കൊടി നീ. അമ്മേ ധന്യേ